You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Guys, you gotta love Memphis, man. It's lit out here. So I'm getting ready to get some of these cars, man. They having a car show also. I didn't know they were doing the car show. So we're gonna get some footage of the cars, and then we're gonna get the races. Look at this vet. This boy is so loud. Y'all see it running here in a little bit. Oh, he got a roll cage and everything in here. There's so many people out here. That's crazy. Stunna Reese out here. Yes, sir.
I gotta get you over there. Y'all motivating me. That too. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. I said, look, let me catch him right now, cause I think they him. Oh yeah. I looked at this and I said, that's him. I gotta go get my coolie. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Love on that, man. Appreciate that, man.
How much they go for?
Okay,
yeah.
Okay. I got it. Hey, my bad, bro. I just gotta write your stuff down and everything too after I get your tickets. So.
How much they go for?
A dub.
Already.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
I don't drink it too fast. Hey, I'm trying to
you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with that one.
I'm trying to tell you, it's gonna get you there.
Hey, I appreciate you, baby.
Support,
oh yeah, no doubt, no doubt, man.
Then we got the blueberry demonstration going.
Boy made it out of here, man. I guess Corey couldn't make it. This boy clean. What's up, baby? What's your Instagram?
Man, OG Memphis Black on Instagram, man, and Memphis Black on YouTube, baby.
Memphis Black on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Already.
B-L-A-K, man. Memphis spelled Memphis.
Already,
Yes,
man. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you too, man.
Already.
Yeah. What's yours, man? Well, hold on.
Yeah.
Veltboy done linked up.
Yeah, I got one too, baby. Hey, it's Custom Instincts, man, all the way from Midland, Texas, baby. We out here finna show out for the Donkmaster show, man. So y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be lit.
Yes, sir.
Already, man.
Y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be lit, man.
Already. Got that candy paint. Man, that gold popping on there, man. That gold popping. SS holding, bro. SS holding. You got the twins out here, man. 275 verts. Twins. Look at this, man. This don't make no sense. This don't make no sense at all, man. Almost identical. Feeling some.
float, Jack. Yeah, turn it back on now. One time for the march of dime now. Them hoes do float, Jack. You dig what I'm saying?
Man.
Hey, man. Hey, man. Yeah, all the way from the number 10, Jack. You dig what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What? Hey, what's your Instagram?
Hey, the Bobster 74. You dig?
Already, y'all heard it from that man. He got them 75s out here killing something. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dang, an Alfina. You don't see these. Man, you do not see these. Especially not in Midland. Oh, I gotta send this to my pops. Man, they got the trucks. Trucks looking good too. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm on camera.
You on YouTube?
You going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi, YouTube.
Say what's up. Say what's up. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram, FMG Marcus. Kylo with 6 A's _
Already.
My Instagram _FMG _Marcus.
Already. That's what's up. Alright guys, that's it, man. Time to get out of here. What's up, baby? Almost time to go home. Hey, it's been a long weekend, man.
It's been a long one, but it's been a good one.
Yeah, man, we had fun.
I had a lot of people stay here.
Oh, no, I'm from West Texas. Yeah.
You stay here today or you going home?
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna stay here tonight, and then I'm on the third floor. Yeah, I'm right there with y'all. Let me get to YouTube. Yeah. Oh, okay. This your Instagram? Okay, got his Instagram right there. Yes, sir. All right, y'all be easy. All right, guys. I'm finna go to the store, grab some last minute things, man.
Shit on my shirt.
I'll see you, baby. I'll see you, baby.
Like and subscribe to my nigga channel.
Alright, appreciate you. Yeah, man, we live down here. Alright, baby. Holla at you. Alright, man. Getting ready to lay down. Catch that flight in the morning. Lie down here, man. I don't even want to go back to Midland, man. The car scene is so different, bro. Like, I hate to say it, man, cause I'm from Midland, Texas, baby. But man, hey, bro, we not doing nothing the way these boys doing. I'm telling you. Man, you just pull up to the store and it's going live, bro. Yeah, we straight now. Yeah. Alright, man, it was fun. Long trip, but it was fun and it was worth it, man, you know. Man, make sure y'all like, y'all subscribe, and y'all comment, man. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. It's free. Just support your boy. Most of the time, it be people in your own hometown that don't support you. Man, I came down here and I had so much support from cats, bro. It was wild. You know what I'm saying? And they say, oh, killers here, woo, 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 woo. Well, all that other stuff, man. But, man, you know what? Real recognize real, man. I came down here, didn't have no trouble, you know what I'm saying? It's all about how you carry yourself, man. Shoot, if you 100, you 100, you know what I'm saying? You can move anywhere. You can move a building. So, man, y'all just keep that in mind, man. And stay on your grind. 100. We out.